Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change wipers on an Audi A4 B6. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth. Make sure your Audi is parked safely with the ignition off. It's a good idea to place a towel or a thick cloth on your windshield. This simple step helps protect the glass from scratches or cracks if the wiper arm accidentally snaps back. Safety first, always. Now, let's remove those old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the hook. It should come off quite easily. Installing the new blades is just as straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto your windshield. Repeat for the other side. Once both new blades are installed, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your ignition and use your windshield washer fluid to check that the new wipers are clearing the glass effectively and smoothly. For best performance and to extend their life, remember to regularly clean your wiper blades with a damp cloth. Also, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to some fantastic socks and more. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.